200 people got selected to do taste testing. On arrival here for the taste testing at Jollibee, first thing they give me, checklist, just to a little survey. Welcome to Jollibee. Thank you for spending your morning with us. Today, you'll be tasting a range of menu items. We recommend pacing yourself. We really need to hear your honest feedback. Feedback. Taste testing. Love something? Tell us. Hate something? Please also tell us. Enjoy. Team Jollibee. Oh, goodness. There you go. The sauce and cheese. So we've got them two out of the way. Which one do I prefer? Depends if you're a cheesy kind of person. Me, if you love cheese, you're going to love it. If you don't like cheese, you're also going to love it. So I'm going to wash it all down with this water, bottle of water they're giving me. Thank you. Damn it. Okay, so now we're moving on to the spaghetti joy. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Check this out. Just look at the consistency, the yummy, juicy meatness and sauce. Looks very flavoursome. So, oh. One more time. Oh. Jolly belly, jolly baby. Happy bee, happy me. This is cooked to perfection. It arrived really nicely warm, like as it should be. I know this is a food review, but I haven't mentioned how clean this place is, the restaurant. It's very clean, and the work they put into it, it's like Art Deco class, you know. It's very brilliantly decorated. The scenery is nice, got lovely music. Accessibility of the building is for wheelchairs and everything. Here at Leicester Square Jollibee. Moving on to the chicken burger. Just look at that. You do not even have to bite into this to see how crispy that is. There's soggy crispy, which nobody likes, unless you like soup. But this isn't soup, this is a burger. There's crispiness that's burnt crispy, which, you know, I don't like, unless you like burnt stuff, but I don't. But this is riding that fine line of crispy as it should be. 5 out of 5 star. So there's some burgers left. I'm gonna take one. That's okay. It's okay. Just one. It's okay. Thank you so much. Anyway. This isn't a phone contract. Hello? Yes, I like Jollibee over anything else now. Much preferred. Over and out.